Welcome and thank you for watching my video. Well, let's get right to it. This phone right here is called the Duroforce Pro from Kyocera mobile, and basically it's a regular, well, I can't even say standard Android phone because nothing standard is about this phone whatsoever. It's pretty remarkable, and I know you've probably seen a few videos pretty much showing you what this phone is capable of and everything, but I decided to put out a video of my whole personal experiences with this phone. And basically the little thing that says on here is, say hello to Duroforce Pro, the newest member of our rugged family. Tougher than ever with a built-in action camera. It's ready to survive your adventures and capture them. Oh yeah. And with my personal experience with this phone, that is very true. And when I say true, oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm just going to show you a few features here. Let's get out of this thing here. Alright, as you can see, it's your regular, phone here you can play with and everything. And all that, get all my little apps here. And, of course, the usual Android stuff. Alright, just want to show off a couple of things. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera on. As you can see, it's a pretty good camera. And it's good. Oh, that right there is the wide shot, by the way. What you see in there, that's the wide shot. You can actually see the monitor. You can't even see the monitor in the camera of this from here, but you can see the camera on my monitor over here in the phone. That's the wide view. The wide view camera on the phone. Now I'm gonna turn off the wide view for now. That's regular view. Wide view. See? All wide view there. So, and the reason you're able to do that is because of these two little cameras back here. Well, I wouldn't say little. They're actually wonderful. The one on the bottom is the wide view one, and the one on top is the regular camera. And of course, you got your flash and everything. And it's a pretty rugged phone. Very rugged. You can literally drop it. I mean, I literally can drop it and it run all day long. As a matter of fact, a few times I have dropped this phone on more than one occasion. I think altogether, I had this phone for roughly 3 years. And to make a long story short, it is what they say it is. It's a very rugged phone. It's tough. And one of the interesting things I wanted to let you know is that I actually record some videos using this phone. I mean, actual videos. As a matter of fact, if you go on my YouTube channel and you look at the roughly first 4 or 5 videos of my channel, I recorded them with this phone. Yes, those videos were recorded on this phone. And it's pretty remarkable. And as you can see, it's got a nice shell on it. And like I said, it's pretty remarkable. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and shoot some video to let you see the video quality of the phone. Yeah.
Why you doing it?
Well, I made a video about this phone, and I'm just showing. Basically, what I'm showing off is the fact that you can film
In the rain.
and not worry about this phone.
In the rain.
getting messed up in the rain.
In the rain.
Yeah.
Why you beeping?
I don't know. You ready? All right.
Why you doing all that? Sometimes. I don't know how you would be if you wasn't with me, Jerome. You would make cornball. You know that. Okay, this. Huh? Did you get
Hey.
it done? Well, come on.
Shooting this video in the rain.
Oh, Jerome. Please. That'll work better for you.
Well, as you know, I'm using front-facing camera
Hold your head up.
of this phone, and I'm doing this while we're in the rain. When I be in the rain, see my folks is walking with me. They got umbrellas and everything, and I'm the nutcase with the camera. So that's what's going on right there. It's waterproof, yeah. It's definitely waterproof.
You got to prove it to the world.
Yeah, it is waterproof.
Oh my.
Say hello.
No.
You don't want to be on camera? No?
I don't want to see the camera.
Ah, she's kind of shy. Well, anyway.
She is not shy.
I just don't want to see your $1,000 waterproof camera.
Ain't $1,000. All right.
Whose name is Bart?
So yeah,
Huh?
you definitely can
Whose name is Bart?
walk around in the rain and do your film without worrying about it getting messed up and whatever. So that's all I'm gonna leave it at this point.
Okay, well, that's pretty much the deal about the Kyocera Duroforce Pro. And no, did I say Kyocera? Kyocera. Some of you say Kyocera. I keep calling it Kyocera, but it's a Kyocera Duroforce Pro. And it's nice. Like I said, it's a nice phone and everything. You know, love it. This particular one I got off Sprint. Other phone carriers are very likely carrying it. I think at&t carries this phone. Verizon carries this phone. And I think another carrier carries this phone too. You know. So if you want a phone that doesn't crack a screen, you know, it doesn't crack like an egg when you drop it. This is that phone. Like I said, I've dropped it many times. Not on purpose either. By the way, you know, usually when during those times the phones actually break is when you don't do it on purpose. That's when it really breaks. But anyway, oh, and waterproof. Yeah, I should have mentioned that. It is definitely waterproof. I've talked to this phone in the rain, you know, many times too. So it's waterproof. It's rugged. It's all that in the bag and cord chips. And of course, if you really want to look up the real specs of this phone, just go to the Kyocera mobile website, and it'll tell you the details. And when you look at the details, let's just say the details was just too numerous to mention in this video. It would took us like almost 30 minutes to explain everything. But anyway, well, that's pretty much it about this phone. So subscribe to my channel, and for more updates, and of course put a whole bunch of likes on this, you know. And I also want to show off something here. Come on. It's real fast too, see? Real fast, real responsive, you know. Oh, That's my Instagram thing right there. Let's see if I can get it in the view. Yeah, that's my Instagram. Just in case anybody's interested. That's my Instagram account right there. Alright. So, that's pretty much it. Real fast phone, I tell you. You'll love it. Well, that's my take on it. God bless and everyone have a great day.